Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see who follows you on Snapchat. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, open up the Snapchat app. Now go to your profile right here at the top left or your Bitmoji. Okay. In here, you're going to find your public profile. Tap on it. Now in here, you should be able to see your followers. Okay. But the problem is it's only the follower count. So go ahead over to Insights right here. You'll be able to see the same set of option, which got the total followers. And when you tap on see more, here's another insight. Okay. But again, the problem is that you won't be able to see the exact person who followed you. So here are some workarounds. Okay. So go ahead over to your DM section right here. Okay. And tap on three dots right here at the top and tap on manage friendships. All of your friends right here are your followers. Also, when you tap on the add icon right here at the top right as well, tap on it. Anyone who has added you or whom you've added back could be a follower as well. Now, if you have a quick add section right here, that might be an indication that the people on that list might be your follower as well. Okay. And that's basically it. Hopefully, Snapchat adds this feature where we can see it. Just like Facebook, you'll be able to tap on the follower section and you'll be able to find all of your followers or follower names. And maybe YouTube as well. They have that option, but for Snapchat, unfortunately, it isn't available. Okay? Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.